Class 12 Board Exams 2021, states that are yet to make a decision on board exams. In view of the uncertain conditions due to COVID and the feedback obtained from various stakeholders, it was decided that CBSE Class 12 board exams would not be held this year. Soon after, the Council for the Indian School Certificate Examinations (CISCE) has scrapped its ISC examination. A few states such as Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Tripura are in favor of conducting Class 12 board exams and had earlier indicated that the exams will be conducted when the situation will be conducive.
MBSE Mizoram HSLC results sets a new record. Mizoram's High School Leaving Certificate (HSLC) or Class 10 board examination witnessed a new pass percentage record as 82.43% of examinees have cleared it, an official said. This year's pass percentage broke the previous record of 76.65% set in 2018, said Lalrinmao Erald, the controller of examinations of Mizoram Board of School Education (MBSE). 83% of the girls and 81.75% of the boys passed the exams.
CBSE introduces coding and data science as new skilling subjects for academic session 2021-22. Microsoft has designed supplementary handbooks in both coding and data science, aligned with NCERT patterns and structures. The books cover real-life examples aimed at building exposure to the ethical dimensions, exposure to Microsoft Make Code.
PhD admissions at Jamia Millia Islamia delayed by a year due to COVID-19. The PhD admissions at the Jamia Millia Islamia have been delayed by a year due to the coronavirus pandemic, officials said on Wednesday. On Tuesday, the varsity released the notification for PhD entrance exams for the year 2020-21 instead of the current academic year 2021-22. The admission test will be held for different disciplines between June 22 and June 28 in 2 shifts, while the results will be declared in the second week of July. Karnataka 2PAC exams cancelled. Gov to conduct MCQ-only papers for SSLC students. The Karnataka government has decided on Friday to cancel the 2PAC exam. However, the government will go ahead with Class 10 or SSLC exams with only multiple choice type questions (MCQs). This makes Karnataka only states to go forward with the decision to hold state board examinations for Class 10 SSLC students, despite the Central Board of Secondary Education and Council for the Indian School Certificate Examinations (CISCE) cancelling the same due to the ongoing COVID-19 situation across the country.
IIT Kanpur launches 4 A-Masters programs. The Indian Institute of Technology Kanpur (IIT Kanpur) on Thursday launched 4 A-Masters programs aimed at enabling a seamless remote learning process during the pandemic. The 4 A-Masters include programs in communication systems, cybersecurity, power sector regulation, economics and management, and commodity markets and risk management.
IISc, IIT Ropar, IIT Indore in Top 100, the Asia University Rankings 2021. In the latest Times Higher Education Asia University Rankings 2021, IISc Bangalore, IIT Ropar and IIT Indore have secured rank among the top 100 universities in Asia. Like last year, not a single Indian varsity made it to the elite top 10. IISc Bangalore ranked at 37th position.
Don't dwell on bad times, focus on lessons learned, PM tells Class 12 students. There's no point dwelling on bad times and one should focus on lessons learned and use them to move ahead in life, Prime Minister Narendra Modi told students in an interaction on Thursday. He was referring to the devastation wreaked by the second wave of the pandemic. The Education Ministry held a virtual interaction with a select group of Class 12 students on Thursday, just 2 days after the government scrapped the CBSE board examinations. The PM surprised the students by dropping in during this interaction to gauge their reaction to the government's decision.